Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view and clear your Safari browser history on your Mac operating system. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to open your Safari browser, and once you open your Safari browser, you will see the Safari menu on the top, right? So whenever you open any application on your Mac operating system, its menu will be available in the menu bar, right? So I can see this option here for the history for the Safari browser. So I will click on history and then click on show history, and then I can see all the history on my Safari browser. So what I visited today, what I visited last week, and it's categorized by weeks or days depending on the settings, right? If you want to clear the history, just click on clear history here, and then you can select for which period you want to clear the history. You can clear the history for last hour, you can clear the history for today, you can clear the history for today and yesterday, and you can also select all history from here. So I'm going to select the all history option and then click on clear history, which is going to remove all the history from my Safari browser. So once you are done, your history is clear, and then once again you can start using your Safari browser. So this is how you can view and clear your Safari browser history. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.